Next one, okay, Tian Tong, happy star. Actually, I don't like the description of this happy star because there's another there's another star quite similar on this. It's also quite happy one. So if it's happy star, I don't know how to use the other one. But anyhow, happy star, Tian Tong. Okay, Tian Tong, good or no good? Depends. You know, everything got yin and yang, good and bad. So end of the day is don't be so conclusive where if you have a one star that is good or one star that is bad, you think that is bad, so or good, then don't be so direct. Remember, there's also a mental box. We have to combine the mental box and this self box to see the combination. Okay, happy star. Okay, of course, happy is like happy person Okay, emotional person also happy and yet emotional. Lazy and like to enjoy. So imagine the kind of lifestyle. So a person who is a happy star, what is the focus? Being happy. So if they don't work, can, no problem. If got money, then no work, okay, can. You know, some people, they got money, they still want to work. But a person who is a Tian Tong happy star person, they know they'll just enjoy themselves, chill, relax, go to hotel, go to high tea, have coffee with their friends every day. Can don't work, don't work. Even if they are working, they won't be working 9 hours in a day. They'll be only working 3 hours a day. Lunchtime they will take 2 hours. After that, in between, they have another 1 hour break. Tea break in the morning, tea break in the afternoon. And then you just take 2, 3 hours of working. That's all. So they enjoying their life. And when they do things because of being lazy, they do things very slowly. So if you ask them to do something that is urgent, don't expect them to complete their task. It's quite impossible. By the time they complete the task, maybe if you ask somebody else to do, you may be able to complete faster. They do have passion towards other people. Passion. Okay, that means they treat people like good friends. Because being happy, they like to enjoy themselves. So they treat everybody as a good friend. But of course, treating people as a good friend doesn't mean that other people will treat them as a good friend. But they will choose to be. They will believe that people are good in nature. So that is a weakness. If the society is, always taking advantage of people, then they will be in the wrong society. Then they will be taken advantage by people. Okay. Inside them, internally, they are very, very pure person, simple person. So they are not complicated. They are not cunning. They are not shrewd. They don't think like people whereby they have to go through a lot of things, then you have to harm people. So that is to say, when you have a person that is Tian Tong happy star person, a friend, if you don't mind, you'll be a very simple person and you can enjoy life with him or her. It will be nice to have. That means he got no agenda. When he want to help you, he will help you. When you need help, you need money. If he got money, he will help you. No string attached. As simple as that. But of course, some other people is different comparatively. So if you have such kind of friends, nice to have Of course, just being fan good to be But of course, weak in nature means that they can't really accomplish too much things. Not saying that they cannot accomplish, it's just that as a whole, they What is the focus point? Happy, enjoy themselves. So if you want to ask them to accomplish, okay, become the CEO of this company, to become the GM of this company, to hit a certain target, sorry, this is not their focus. This is not the right. They won't want to do that. So you want to hire somebody who is a salesperson. If you got this happy star inside, then forget it. He will not be able to hit the sales target. Of course, this is just purely based on one star. If there's any other star inside, it's a different story. Imagine this happy star is together with Uchi, military star. Military star is a go-getter, right? Always go all the way one, can achieve target one. And then this is happy star. Military star plus happy star means that he's able to achieve target and yet simple-minded and being happy is also another focus. So you combine the two of the characteristic of two stars together, and this become another group of people already. Not so simple. You see the differences? When two stars come together. And we have three stars come together or four stars come together, you have to merge everything together.